today is Friday's review. We had one solid turning point, which was the top in the beginning of the market. And there was a possible bottom, but it got discounted, so there was no bottom. And this was a bearish flag, a channel that did break. It did a double top, which then turned into a wedge, and eventually broke this wedge, not with power, because today was pre-holiday trading day. Very difficult to trade on pre-holidays. And it continued its downtrend from its top turning point. Made it number 2, top, number 3, so those are the areas that we would have shorted. And we did make a few trades this morning. We made 3 trades. As soon as the markets opened, we only bought 3 times. So we bought at this turning point here, went up, got out, and then news came out, went up, and I thought I missed the turning point. I was going to try and buy for a possible breakout, but I needed to wait for my retracements, and when it did come down, it came down too far, so I didn't buy at any turning points. Did a flush, and as soon as it did a flush, then that's when I bought again. I bought here, came up, and then it stopped me out, and I was almost going to buy again, and then it lifted up. I thought we were in a bullish flag, but it turned out that as soon as we broke out, the bullish flag the setup broke, came back down. This was our turning point to buy, so we would have been stopped out if I did buy. And I think I did buy up here, but I just stopped myself out at break even, just because I didn't care on how it was just hanging around at the top and not continuing its uptrend. So then it came down, and then we had other turning points, this turning point, that turning point, this one. As soon as I saw those, I thought about shorting, but it was so slow, and today was pre-holiday trading that I just didn't want to risk anything and just let today be and just preserve our cash and profit. So then it did continue its bearish trend. There was a turning point here. I was thinking about buying it, but again, it was pre-holiday trading, and the setup didn't work out anyways. And then it came down here, and there was a possible reversal, and I was thinking about it, but again, pre-holiday trading, didn't want to risk anything. So today the markets really didn't go anywhere for the majority of the day until it finally broke. We would have had to have been these retracements in order to have profited, to avoid risking chasing. And this weekend is our 3-day weekend, so Tuesday we'll see how the markets react, and we'll try and find those next turning points.